Hello guys, this is Jamal with you from AppSolve giving tips to Salesforce. So today we're gonna talk again about these tabs here, and I wanna show you something here that um, let's look at dashboards and let's look at work task items. Work task items, it's something we can remove, but dashboards we can't. So what is the reason for that for this and why is that happening? So now we just need to click cancel and go to setup. And we wanna take a note that the app is named AppSolve. This app, the whole app, and let's search for App Builder, Lightning App Builder. Okay. Now we need to search for AppSolve. Okay. Sorry, it's App Manager. Okay, let's search for AppSolve. Now we have two AppSolves here. So one is Lightning and one is Classic. And we know that we are working on the Lightning version of Salesforce here. So let's click Edit on the Lightning one. And here we're gonna see the app details and the branding for this app. We just need to go to navigation items. So let's say here's the original ordering for the tabs or the navigation items, and we can just remove or keep something to be like an original or let's say pinned tabs on the app for all the users using this app. So let's say we need to remove dashboards. So then we click save. Okay. Now after saving this, that will make an ability to let me remove this tab here, the dashboard tab, from the app layout or the app navigation items. So I refreshed the page and then we're gonna click on the pen. Now we can see that the dashboard something that now something can be removed. So we can now remove the app, remove the item and click save. Now dashboards will disappear. Then we can go back and add more items and let's click on all dashboard. We can add it as we told you again, as I told you again, that will put them at the end of the list. Now we can put dashboards after time entry and save again. And we can see that dashboards now. Here's that again on the list. So that's it about the navigation items for each app. And thanks for watching. Jamal was with you from AppSolve. Subscribe for more content.